If you choose Bilfinger for your design and build approach, you get a reliable and experienced partner to execute your entire project. From first concept through to final delivery, we manage every stage, giving you one point of contact and the freedom to focus on your core business. Early construction involvement during engineering is beneficial to both of us. It allows us to create maximum transparency in construction and CapEx costs, resulting in a cost-efficient and functional design.
We offer our design and build approach for your CapEx engineering projects, as well as your maintenance-related projects, with our team on site. During design and build, we provide engineering and construction services and coordinate every discipline, so design and execution flow together seamlessly and efficiently. Our capabilities cover piping and mechanical, electrical, instrumentation and steel. And we offer a complete range of services under one roof. Civil engineering is delivered in-house, and we work with trusted partners on the physical execution works, ensuring consistent quality and safety from start to finish. By combining design and execution in one integrated process, Bilfinger reduces risks and keeps all suppliers aligned through one single point of contact and a clear safety vision on site. Fewer duplicate roles mean less construction staff is needed, reducing complexity and cost. Eliminating tender and preparation gaps, speed up delivery, and shorten your overall schedule. So why choose Bilfinger for design and build? Because it gives you peace of mind, efficiency, and control, all with one trusted partner. Let us take care of the complexity so you can focus on what matters most, your core business.